Hello and welcome everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Sikhism, a monotheistic religion that originated in the 15th century in the Punjab region of the Indian subcontinent. We'll explore its rich history, traditions, and some inspiring quotes from the Sikh gurus. Sikhism was founded by Guru Nanak Dev Ji, who was born in 1469 in present-day Pakistan. He was a spiritual leader and philosopher, who believed in the oneness of God and emphasized the importance of selfless service, equality, and social justice. Guru Nanak Dev Ji's teachings laid the foundation for Sikhism, and he became the first of the 10 Sikh gurus. The gurus played a crucial role in shaping the beliefs and practices of Sikhism. Each guru contributed to the spiritual and social growth of the Sikh community, ultimately leading to the formation of the Khalsa, a group of initiated Sikhs, in 1699 by the 10th Guru, Guru Gobind Singh Ji. The Khalsa was a collective force dedicated to the protection of the weak and the promotion of justice. One of the most notable aspects of Sikhism is the concept of langar, a free community kitchen that serves food to all, regardless of caste, religion, or social status. This practice, which was started by Guru Nanak Dev Ji, serves as a symbol of the Sikh principle of equality and compassion for all. Langar is an integral part of every Sikh temple, or Gurdwara, where volunteers cook and serve food to anyone who comes to partake in the meal. Sikhism is also known for its unique attire, which includes the 5 Ks, or 5 articles of faith that initiated Sikhs, called Khalsa, are expected to wear at all times. These include kesh, uncut hair, kara, a steel bracelet, kachra, cotton undergarments, kirpan, a ceremonial sword, and kangha, a wooden comb. These symbols serve as reminders of the spiritual and moral values that Sikhs are expected to embody. Now, let's delve into some inspiring quotes from the Sikh gurus, which provide a glimpse into the core teachings of Sikhism. From Guru Nanak Dev Ji, we have the profound quote, "Truth is the highest virtue, but higher still is truthful living." This quote underlines the importance of not just knowing the truth, but living it through one's actions. Another powerful quote from Guru Nanak Dev Ji is, "Recognize the Lord's light within all, and do not consider social class or status. There are no classes or castes in the world hereafter." This quote emphasizes the core Sikh belief in the equality of all human beings, rejecting the rigid caste system that was prevalent in India at the time. From Guru Amar Das Ji, the third Sikh guru, we have the following quote, "One who is attached to the true Guru's service attains spiritual wisdom and is rid of the darkness of ignorance." This quote highlights the importance of selfless service and spiritual guidance in the quest for enlightenment. Guru Arjan Dev Ji, the fifth Sikh guru, shared these words of wisdom, "The world is a drama staged in a dream, in a moment the play is played out." This quote serves as a reminder of the transient nature of life and the importance of focusing on spiritual pursuits. Lastly, a quote from the 10th and final Sikh guru, Guru Gobind Singh Ji, "He alone is a man who keeps his word, not that he has one thing in the heart and another on the tongue." This quote emphasizes the importance of integrity and honesty in one's actions and words. In conclusion, Sikhism is a faith that has evolved over the centuries, grounded in principles of equality, selfless service, and spiritual growth. The teachings of the 10 Sikh gurus have left an indelible mark on the hearts and minds of millions of followers around the world, inspiring them to lead lives guided by truth, compassion, and justice. As we have seen through the quotes of the gurus, the wisdom of Sikhism transcends time and continues to enlighten us in our journey towards spiritual fulfillment.